Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me, and I'm back at you with a haul. Now, I told y'all I wasn't gonna be doing no shopping, but unfortunately, I had to go to the store and get the stuff that I needed. That was some of it non-food items, but some of the stuff we just couldn't resist, like the sodas and stuff. They was on sale. So, welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all my old subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, y'all go over and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave this video. So anyway, let's get started. I needed some water, so my husband went and purchased me some water from from Dollar General. So I got two 32 packs of that. No, it's only one 32 pack of the water. And then from Walmart, I purchased some Vaseline for my grandma. I bought some lettuce because I want to make a salad. We having some pizza tonight, so I want to make a salad to go with my pizza. I also purchased my husband some Degree deodorant, the 2-pack, and then cheddar sour cream chips. I got 2 bags of the napkins. 2 bags of these from the Dollar Tree, and those chips y'all can see they came from Walmart. The deodorant and this came from Walmart. Cucumber from Walmart. Container of tomatoes from Walmart, and these shredded carrots from Walmart. These sodas that was 4 for $10. I got those from Winn-Dixie. And I have a peach, pineapple, orange, strawberry, and a watermelon soda. My husband, he decided he wanted to try the watermelon soda. Okay, so then I also bought me some Nair from Walmart. This is the Soothing Aloe kind. And I bought me another bunny from Walmart. I went back to my air freshener that I like, the Febreze Heavy Duty 2 times odor eliminator power. I like that one better. So I'm not gonna be in the camera, y'all, as you can see, because when I got home I stripped down and got out of my clothes. Okay, so anyway, back to that. I went back to my Febreze because I just like this one better than the aerosol kind. I like this one better than that mist one. Okay, so let me go over to the other side. Now we got this pizza from Walmart, y'all, and this was the ultimate meat pizza. And so this is what we cooking right here, and I just cut half of it and I put it in the oven. I got it in the oven, but what I did to it was, I had to amp it up a little bit. I had to make it taste a little bit better. I'm going to take this half and I'm going to wrap it up in some foil and put it in the freezer for a later time. But I took some of this garlic butter right here spread from Winn-Dixie, and I spreaded it. I put it on the bottom of the pan, and I also took some of the garlic butter spread and put it around the crust. So we'll have a garlic butter crust. Okay, so on this way, I had to go and get this right here because my husband, he wanted to try this, I guess some kind of cheesecake, something. It was in the freezer department in Walmart, so he got him one of these. And then I bought me a carrot cake. So I want to try this carrot cake, y'all. I love carrot cake. Okay, so then also from the Dollar Tree, I got some of these little styrofoam little square trays. And then I got 3 packs of the paper plates. And from Walmart, I purchased me some old eyes, y'all. Y'all know I need them, honey, though, because I wrapped mine in foil. But I was like, I need me some brand new eyes because the ones that I got, those things is raggedy. Okay, so, alrighty. So, I want to try me some Caress Daily Silk Floor Fusion Oil soap. So I bought me some of this. I never tried the Caress soap, but it smelled good. And hopefully my husband liked the scent. Y'all know I told y'all he don't like them little floral scents or whatever. And hopefully it smell good, and hopefully it don't irritate my skin or nothing like that. So I got that from Walmart. And I purchased 3 of these aluminum foils from the Dollar Tree. Now, from Roses, we have this tissue right here. You get the 12 pack for $2.50. And I purchased 2 for 6 packs of those. And also these right here is $1 from Roses. The spoons and the forks. So I got 2 packs of forks and 2 packs of spoons. And then from the Dollar Tree, I purchased some Buddy Scrub things for my non-stick pot. That's what I got them for the non-stick pots. So, just in case, something, just to scrub around and just in case it might have something on them. I don't want to scratch my pots up, so that's why I got those right there. And then I also got some of these cups right here, the 20 count cups from the Dollar Tree. Now, My husband from what store was this? Roses. He went and got some of this candy, some of this candy, and this candy. Okay. And then from the Dollar Tree, I got some of these, the scrub pads. I purchased some of these little paper, the paper type of plates. I purchased some of these just in case, you know, they want to eat some potato chips or a sandwich or something like that. They won't be using a whole styrofoam plate, you know, just for a sandwich or some chips. And then I purchased this shower hanger thing from the Dollar Tree for my grandma. I got one in my bathroom already, but it's a better one than this. And so when she take a bath, she needs somewhere to sit her soap and stuff at, because a lot of times it fall off her shower chair. So I decided I'm gonna try this out, you know, so she can sit her soap on this while she take a bath, and it hangs, and I'm gonna have it hanging low. That way she can reach right in front of her to get it. So, you know, make it easier for her when she's showering, stuff like that. And maybe she can hang her rag right here or something like that. However it works out for her. Alright, so moving right along. Let me turn y'all around a little bit more. Okay, so from I needed me some butter, y'all. I told y'all I'm not grocery shopping, but certain things I have to get. So I needed me some butter. So from Wendy's, I purchased some of this butter. And then Walmart, I got me some of this peroxide. Over there, you see, I have 4 cans of Comet. I like to wash my pots with Comet. Wash my clean my bathroom up with Comet. And also, I purchased some of this multi-purpose. This is the fabric softener stuff that I was telling y'all about. Not fabric softener. The multi-purpose cleaner that I was telling y'all about. That's just like the Fabuloso. This is what I was talking about. And it's only like $1.40 something, if I'm not mistaken, and it said make 28 gallons, but I never dilute it. So maybe I should try diluting it to see how it works out for me, but I never dilute it. So also I purchased some more of this all washing powder with free and clear, you know, for my grandma, because y'all know I told y'all that she's sensitive and, you know, she had a breakout and stuff like that. So I'm trying to steer away from scented stuff for her, because, you know, we don't need no more issues with her skin, honey. And up here I also got some of these over the door hooks. Now what I thought to do with these was, I already have one that I use for my towels behind my bedroom door, but on my closet door I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna hang it up, because all my nightgowns and stuff, I hang them up by the tags. Some of my tags, they have a loop, so I hang them up over my door. And then the skinny strap nightgowns, so I have 2 nails up in my closet, and now I'm having problems because I have too many nightgowns up there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this over my closet for my nightgowns, and I got one for my grandma too, so she can use it for her nightgowns and for her towels and stuff when she go in the room. So yeah, that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It was a small haul, but it was a much needed haul, because I was out of all this stuff, so I had to re-up on it. But until next time, y'all know who it is. This is your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all be blessed and have a good evening, you guys, and I hope y'all have a good rest of the week. Peace and love and blessings to each and every one of you guys. All right, bye y'all.